Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Honda CR-V bonnet. First, find the primary bonnet release lever. It is typically located on the driver's side, near the footwell. Pull this lever firmly towards you. You should hear a distinct click as the bonnet unlatches slightly. Now, proceed to the front of your vehicle. Once at the front, gently lift the bonnet a few inches. Reach your hand underneath the front edge, near the center. You will feel a small lever or catch. This is the secondary safety latch. Depending on your CR-V model, you might need to push it to the left or pull it upwards to fully disengage the bonnet. With the secondary latch released, lift the bonnet all the way up. Look for the metal support rod, which is often clipped to the underside of the bonnet or near the engine bay. Unclip this rod. There will be a small hole or slot on the underside of the bonnet or in the engine bay itself. Insert the end of the support rod into this slot to hold the bonnet securely open. To close the bonnet, first remove the support rod from its slot and clip it back into its storage position. Gently lower the bonnet until it is about 1 foot or 30 centimeters above the closed position. Then, firmly push down on the center of the bonnet with both hands. You should hear a satisfying click, indicating it is securely latched. Double-check that it is fully closed before driving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.